Finally guys, andito na tayo sa Gatwick Airport. Pero andito ako sa medyo corner. Kasi dito ako matutulog for tonight's video. Very premium accommodation guys. Anyway, sanay na ako sa ganitong setup. Kasi every time I go traveling and then yung flight ko is early morning the next day, I have to leave the island the day before and then dapat maaga. Otherwise, I will miss my flight the next day. So, yun nga, nakaalis ako ng island today, which is Friday. My flight will be tomorrow at 7 in the morning. So, dito ako matutulog. Some people say, why don't you book a hotel or an inn or something like that? I'd rather save the money for my actual holiday than spend it on staying for, paying for an overnight stay prior to my flight. Okay naman siya guys, medyo malamig. You have to bring your jacket. Trinay ko mag-travel ng winter time and then ganito din yung ginawa ko. It's not a good idea guys. The floor at the time was so cold and I didn't have a good sleep. I was so tired during the flight, and when I arrived sa country na pinuntahan ko, I was just knackered. Wala akong energy to go out. But it's springtime now, almost summer. The temperature is very warm. Warmer than usual, not as warm as the Philippines to be honest, but yeah, dyan tayo matutulog sa floor. Good night. Hola! Welcome to España! So, andito na ako ngayon sa Barcelona, Spain. And now, naliligaw na ako. Hinahanap ko yung train station puntang city center ng Barcelona. Sana mahanap ko siya. So, while hinahanap ko siya guys, first impression muna tayo. So, para siyang Cebu guys. And yung temperature dito is very mild. So, kasi sanay tayo ng malamig sa UK. So, pwede mag-sleeveless dito. Yung 15 degrees, mana na siya, warm na siya para sa atin. I'll show you the view around the airport. Hirapan yung hanapin yung train at metro. Pwede naman mag-taxi or mag-bus papuntang city center, pero vegetarian tayo, so dapat less gastos. Pinaka-cheap yung train. So, try natin yung train. Hello, Barcelona! Napaka-nice ng weather dito, guys. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang. Very tolerable temperature. And then, vibrant city. Nakita ko na yung mga iilang buildings na dinesign ni Gaudi. So, first impression ko sa city, guys, is para talaga siyang Marseille, yung Mediterranean vibes, pati yung kulay ng mga buildings katulad ng sa Marseille, yung siya, port city ng France. If mahilig kang mag-shopping, shopper's paradise dito guys, kasi ang daming mga shops dito. Pag check-in na tayo guys, maganda yung hotel. Ito yung hostel lang pala siya. Ito yung name. Nakita ko siya sa booking.com. And the good thing is, meron siyang parang shared kitchen, malinis yung facility, at may free breakfast, di ba? Pag check-in kasi nilinis pa yung hostel, yung dorm ko, so I'll go for a jog for an hour or two and then I'll go back to check in and prepare, take a shower, put on some good clothes.